Hey there, how you guys doing? Okay, let's look at this misconception. Have you ever thought to yourself, x squared times x to the third is x to the sixth? But like if I'm multiplying, I should be multiplying the exponent, so 2 times 3 is 6. Have you ever thought that? Sure, a lot of people have. But is it true? Well, let's do things a long way. Because if the long way and what we think is a shorter way don't match, then the short way doesn't work and the long way is the way you always work it. So I'm going to show you on this problem and then I'll come back to that, okay? So this A, what power does it have even though you don't see it? Good, it's a power of 1. Now, help me out here. According to this, I have a single A. Is that correct? According to a to the power of 4, how many a's do we have? Good, we have 4 a's, and what's the operation between these 4 a's? Multiplication, and this is multiplication between it all, right? So if you take a look at this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a's multiplied together, right? That means you would have a to the power of 5. Agreed? Okay. If you actually looked at this problem and you quickly thought, well, I'm multiplying, so I just must multiply the exponents to get a to the power of 4. Well, help me out. Does that shorter way that our brains think works, does it match the long way? It does not. It doesn't work. Which means over here, how many x's do I have there? I have 2, and they're being multiplied. How many x's are here? I have 3, and they're being multiplied. And then there's a multiplication in between them, right? So how many x's do you have? You have 5 x's. Not 6, 5. This doesn't work. When you're multiplying the bases, what do you do between the exponents? According to these two examples, working them the long way, what can I do between the 1 and the 4 to get that 5? You add them. What can I do between the 2 and the 3 to get that 5? You add them. When you multiply the exact same base, you simply add the exponents. This is your rule, shall I say. Does that make sense? Okay, so I have some examples coming your way. Work on them before you find my answer key video. Make certain you understand this rule of exponents, and I'll catch you on the flip side.